I'm Richard. I'm a production manager for Welsh National Opera. Well, that's the right size thing. The things I expect to see in a designer is someone who's clear about their ideas, they're a good communicator, and also good reasons behind things. Because if you have the why for something, why are you doing that, why is it like that, it makes it much easier to offer suggestions if something doesn't work.
My name is Ed Wilson and I'm General Manager for Cardiff Theatrical Services. The better the work in the model box, the better the end product. And you can see some amazingly detailed models at 1 to 25 when you're really drawn into the quality of the design and what textures are they bringing.
So this is the model for the Chicago Lyric Opera. This whole structure is rotated gradually during the course of the opera. Got to be careful with these things.
I am David Pountney. I'm the Artistic Director of Welsh National Opera. The relationship between a director and a designer is a very intimate one because you start out discussing a project at its very earliest stage. Try to keep your mind free. For example, Madame Butterfly has a very, very detailed text with a lot of instructions about doors opening and closing and Japanese houses and a huge amount of detail. This is a balance between being overwhelmed by the demands of a story and keeping yourself free to react and invent and create your own response.
Think about the venue the production's going to take place in. Critically, is it then going out on tour, for example? Because if you're making a touring set, you've got some other logistical considerations.
Be very clear about your idea, research your ideas, don't have any gaps in the design if possible, and be an excellent communicator. Enjoy working in the theatre, enjoy working with people.
Music is more about emotion than about fact. And I think it's very important that a design literally opens the way for an audience to receive those emotions.